Ever wondered why your favorite salesperson is always extra enthusiastic about selling you that latest gadget? Or maybe you've noticed that your barista suddenly knows your order by heart and throws in an extra shot of espresso for free. There's a good chance they're earning a little something extra for their efforts. It's called a spiff. Now, I know what you're thinking. Spiff? Sounds like something out of a spy movie. But trust me, it's way less glamorous. In the world of sales, a spiff is actually short for Sales Performance Incentive Fund. It's basically a bonus or commission that a salesperson earns for hitting specific targets or completing certain tasks. Think of it like this: your boss wants to motivate you to sell more widgets. So they offer you a bonus for every 10 widgets you sell. That bonus is a spiff. It's a way to give you a little extra incentive to go the extra mile. But spiffs aren't just about selling widgets. They can be used to incentivize all sorts of things, from signing up new customers to cross-selling additional products. They can be cash, gift cards, merchandise, or even trips. It all depends on what the company is trying to achieve. Now, you might be wondering why companies bother with spiffs. After all, don't salespeople get paid enough already? Well, it turns out that spiffs can be a really effective way to boost sales and improve employee morale. When salespeople know that they can earn extra money for their hard work, they're more likely to go the extra mile. They're more likely to upsell and cross-sell. And they're more likely to provide excellent customer service. But spiffs aren't without their drawbacks. For one thing, they can be expensive for companies. If everyone is earning a spiff, it can add up quickly. Additionally, spiffs can create a culture of competition among salespeople, which can lead to unethical behavior. So, how can companies use spiffs effectively? The key is to set clear and achievable targets. The spiffs should be large enough to be motivating, but not so large that they break the bank. And it's important to communicate the goals of the spiff program to all employees. Ultimately, spiffs are just one tool in the sales manager's toolbox. They can be a powerful motivator, but they're not a magic bullet. To be successful, companies need to use a combination of strategies to incentivize their sales teams. So, the next time you're buying a car or signing up for a new gym membership, remember that the salesperson might be working extra hard to earn a spiff. And the next time you're a manager looking to boost sales, consider using spiffs as a tool to motivate your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.